In the production of any new building, there are a number of powerful factors that become the strong core of the build. Iron is the strong backbone of any construction and plays a huge role in maintaining stability. Today, iron plays a major role in the development of our country, when sitting tight as the base for all buildings, bridges, apartments, and most other structures. More important than this is the experience of those who work in producing and placing iron where it's required, because a great deal of experience and knowledge is required when carefully putting iron materials in the places they need to be. We decided to be a big part of developing our country too. We started working in the field of iron manufacturing.
سەرەتای کارکردنی کۆمپانیەکەمان دەگەڕێتەوە بۆ ساڵی 1970 کە لە دەستپێکردنی باوکم بەکاری ئاسن دەستپێکە لە ئاسنەشکا و ئێمەش هەر لەسەر ئەو ڕێزکەیە لە چاکردن و فرۆشتنی کۆنە ئاسن دەستمان پێکرد تا ساڵی 96 کە توانیمان یەکەم کاری پرۆژەی ئاسن بۆ خۆمان ئەنجام بدەین. ساڵی 2002 کارگەمان دروست کردو. ساڵی 2008 ئەو کۆمپانیا ئاسنکارەمان بەو شێوەیە ئێستا بنیاد ناوە.
It didn't take a long time before our decisions delivered great results. We decided to build a large factory and serve our country on the largest scale in the field of iron production. This was done on a piece of land as large as 16,000 square meters, making our factory the largest iron factory in the region. We brought in the latest and most advanced iron cutting, pressing and bending tools from the most advanced countries. We also brought the most experienced engineers and iron manufacturing experts to work with us in our factory. We started working with the standards of top international quality. Today, we deliver 600 to 700 tons of prime iron to various construction projects, made by 24 groups of specialized engineers, experts, and personnel in the production of iron.
کۆمپانیای ئاسنکار بریتیە لە چەند کارگەیەک ئەو کارگانە تایبەتن بە ئەنجامدانی کاری ئاسنی و دابینکردنی ئاسن بۆ پرۆژەکانی کە ئاسنیان تیا بەکار دێت هەرچ زۆرە ئاسنێک بێت کە بە ستانداردی جیهانی بێت. نوێترین تەکنۆلۆژیای خوارکردنەوە و بڕین و چاکردن و معالەجەکردنی ئاسنمان لە کارگە گەورەکانی دنیا بۆ کڕیوین و بۆ خۆشمان لەبەرەوەی تەجروبەی کارمان هەیە لە زیاتر لە 25 ساڵ ئەتوانین ئەو کارە بە شێوەیەکی جوانتر بە شێوەیەکی پوختەتر بە شێوەیەکی ناوازەتر پێشکەش بکەین. دەستگاکانمان زیاتر نوێترین دەستگای تەکنۆلۆژیای ڕۆژن مانگانە تاکو 600 تەن بۆ 700 تەن بەرهەم بێن. کۆمپانیای ئاسنکار تاکە لە هەموو عێراق.
As one of the biggest iron production companies, Asnkar Company now works in a number of forms today. The trade of iron. In this part of the company, all kinds of iron and iron parts are traded. In this field, Asnkar has no competition in the region when it comes to delivery on time and cost efficiency. The company prepares and delivers the client's requested iron in the most efficient form. No matter the scale of requested iron for any governmental or private sector project, Asnkar delivers top quality iron in the fastest and cheapest way and with the most reliable quality. And in this field, Asnkar has delivered iron to many recognized government, private sector and oil production projects. The production of any iron structure, Beforehand, Asnkar used to approve its iron structure designs abroad because of the lack of available local expertise. But now, since the end of 2014, we have proudly opened an entire department for this purpose, where expert engineers operate and the entire work is finished within the company. One of the landmarks of Asnkar Company is the production of ceiling cranes that are produced in the best anti-explosive quality and in many different forms, weights and sizes. The cranes operate fully automatically and are produced in different lengths, all within the company, in the quickest time and the most advanced manner. The production of various iron hall structures. Asnkar has produced many different iron halls in different shapes and sizes and delivered various iron structures to airports, military bases, towers and halls of factories, swimming pools, and many schools in the shortest time and most modern methods. The production of crossing bridges for cars and pedestrians. To serve our country's transportation, we've played a great role by producing many pedestrian and automobile cross bridges, all in different heights and lengths, with no piles in between. While all the bridges have been manufactured and installed carefully by Asnkar expert engineers, in this field we are also proud of our accomplishments in all of Iraq's cities. The production of various iron tanks. Also in this field, we've been able to become the leading supplier, and so far we've been able to produce and provide many different tanks, with our most recognized example being a large storage tank in Kirkuk that can hold up to 14 million liters of water, which proves to be one of Asnkar's most significant productions. The company of Asnkar has projects in many other fields in which the company holds a great experience and several successful projects to this moment, of which a 20-story iron building, several gas stations, car parks, factory emergency exits, and many different caravans and houses are all examples manufactured in top-range quality by Asnkar. All this alongside the production of all kinds of air ducts and iron carrying machines to be delivered and applied in any kind of project.
گرنگترین و گەورەترین ئەو پرۆژانەی کەوا کۆمپانیاکەمان تاوەکوی ئێستا ئەنجامی داوە بریتین لە دروستکردنی پردێکی پەڕینەوەی پیادە لە سەر زێی گەورە، دروستکردنی تانکی بۆ شلەمەنیەکان لە پارێزگای کەرکووک بە قەبارەیەکی زۆر گەورە، دروستکردنی زنجیرەی هۆڵ لە بەرتەلە کە بۆ کارگەی بەرگدرووی بەرتەلە دروستمان کرد، هەروە کۆمەڵێک هۆڵی بەیەکەوە لەکاو لە کەسک و لە تەلعفەر و لە سولەیمانی. ئێمە هەر شوێنێک کە دەستمان بۆی گەشت بێ توانیمانە پرۆژە تیادا ئەنجام بدەین.
The completion of projects at Asnkar is a very smooth process, in accordance with the company's system. After signing a contract, the company starts designing the project that the client requests. The designs and blueprints of each project are carefully developed by a specialized expert engineering team, depending on the measurements and the piece of land provided by the client. After the prints are designed, they're presented to the company's management, where they're evaluated and planned to be made and installed while making a short delivery period one of our priorities. After the designs are received and approved, the project inside the factory can begin.
لپاش وارگرتنا نقشه اما نقشه وقتی گلولای ديزاينر تيت گلای ما جدول کمیات که تخریط داهی به پی جدول کمیات اما دی تماشا که اینه که او جدول کمیات چه مواد که دا بکار شوه حسب او جدول کمیات به برگه که طلبیه اما طلب مواد لمغزن تیکین دی او مواد دابش بید لسر بشکان معمله بەشێ بەڕینێ هەی بەشێ مقەسێ هەی بەشێ کونکردنێ هەی ئەوەنە توجا دەچیت بوو دەستپێکردنە ئیشێ.
Workers and engineers are prepared for the job. The iron is placed in the iron area. Then the cutting and bending process begins. Then the pressing process starts. And after this stage, the workers start cutting and bending the shapes of the iron. At the same time, the bolts are bended. Later, the make of trims, cores, underlayers, and decorations takes place. After all these stages are completed, the iron is now ready to be finalized, and now holes are being placed as the screws are going through their first rotation and being prepared. Now the assembly process. This department consists of two areas, the fitting area and the mending area. After the iron is mended and finalized, a number of standard tests are carried out to check if the product is fit for scaling with the design, and then quality checks and overall condition tests are applied by specialized experts. After the test, the ready iron is transported to the painting area where it's painted per the desired color using the latest technology and quality of paint according to the design. After the painting process, the iron is paint tested by experts. Then the iron parts are transported to the site of the project, where the final assembly takes place. One of the main features that Asnkar proudly offers its clients is a surveillance quality check by various cameras within the factory in the form of a mobile application for clients to install and oversee the flawless production process.
پلانی داهاتوی کۆمپانیاکەمان ئەوەیە کە لە شارەکانی تری کوردستان و عێراق شوێن بکەینەوە بۆی بتوانین خزمەت بە وێن دەرەج بگەین هەرچەندە ئێمە کارەکانمان سەرتاسەری عێراق گرێتەوە بەڵام خۆمان ئەمانەوێت لە شارەکان خۆیانیش خەونمانەوەیە کە کارگەی تایبەت بۆ پرۆژانە دروست بکەین.
The Asnkar Company is growing on a day-to-day basis in the city of Erbil and plays a big role in the development of iron and iron structures. Asnkar Company, bringing forth a bright future for the production of iron.